Hello fellas, today I'm at table at Dewalt drill. It's a DCD785 or something. Cannot see the model number here, but it's 18-bolt drill, and of course it's not working. It's a brushed model, so we'll check the switch and the brushes. I will start from unscrewing the gear axle. Yeah. Now as it's opened, we can see that the brushes is ended out. You can see that the spring here touches the housing here, the brush holder. So we definitely need a new brushes, and of course now we need to take it out and check the switch if it's good or not. Just removing the gear assy. It's a lot of dust, as you can see. Lifting the armature with a joke unit, removing the ball bearing holder, and now we can remove our armature and the field. We can inspect it. If it's no bar marks or something, of course the commutator is dirty. We need to clean it with a sanding paper, and our carbon brush holder here. Yeah, we can check the current on the battery itself. It shows 18.27, and now we need to check the current of the carbon brush holder. Yeah, we can see that it's with a minus sign, and if I change it, it will not show the minus sign here. So okay, that's good, our switch is working. I'm just taking the sanding paper. This one is 1000 grit. Taking a small piece of it. Taking drill. Putting the armature shaft into the chuck. And just spinning it on. And you can see shiny, almost like new. Okay, and as I have cleaned the parts, of course not made a 100% clean, but it's need to not forget that it's not a new tool, it's an old tool, and sometimes it's really take a lot of time to clean it all very good. Okay, so inserting the switch with the LED light, making sure that the wires are in place, the speed changer, sorry, not the speed, direction changer. Yeah, now our carbon holder unit, it's I take it out from used tool. Now we have our armature, clean out the commutator, clean out the armature a little bit itself. Just pressing the brushes with the finger, mounting the ball bearing holder. Now it's time for our field, and we can see the bump here and the pin here, and we need to align them. Inserting the armature in the field. Now we have two pins here, and I'm just aligning them down to the holes here in the housing. Just making sure everything will fit. Now we need to check the bottom here on our field, just spinning around it. I will put a gear assay, clean it a little bit too. Push the speed changer a little bit up. Just making sure that the speed is set to the second gear. Mounting the speed changer button. And almost here. Yep, now it's here, the field is in place, it cannot be moved, spin it or something, so we need to screw the screws back in. Okay, so we got all the screws back, checking if there are no wrong alignments or something on the housing. Seems that everything is good. Put the battery and turning the wheel on. You can hear how it works and it's all clear and right. Of course, now we need to check the gear assay. So it's a hammering mode. It's hammering. It's a drilling mode. It must be no clutch here. And here goes our clutch. Yep, so it seems pretty good. The check itself works perfectly, so we have fixed the drill by changing the carbon brushes for it.